Keeping your children to learn something new and keeping them occupied is very important in their life development. As a parents, we need to let our kids to choose what they want to do as a hobby. As you can see on the video below, these little boys chooses to ride many motorcycles, and the way they are riding them is pretty impressive. We are always saying, you need to start them young in order to see what kind of talent they have, and we are pretty sure you will be impressed by these super talented kids on motorcycles. These little kids are doing everything: riding mini bikes on the road, drag racing with bikes, off-roading with mini dirt bikes, and everything you can imagine in between. These youngsters are doing almost everything that can be done on two wheels. Probably most of their parents were riding or are still riding bikes, so they want their kids to follow their steps. If they can ride like that on their age, you can imagine how good will they be when they will get their motorcycle driving license. So, you can now turn on the speakers on and check out this great video below and see all of those super talented kids on motorcycles. Please share this awesome post with your friends and family on Facebook, and please feel free to share your thoughts with us in the comment section below and tell us what do you think about these super talented kids on motorcycles.